Hello, in this video I'm gonna try to help you solve the black screen issue on Nintendo Switch. If you cannot switch on a Nintendo Switch, let's try these instructions. So first of all, take out the Joy-Cons. Then you want to charge your Nintendo Switch. So what you need to do is get the power cable and then plug it into the console like so. And then you should leave it for a couple of minutes. Ideally, you even want to use a different charger than the default Switch charger. However, you should give it a try with default charger first, and if while doing these instructions, if this doesn't help, try this again but with a different charger, for instance from your phone. After charging for a couple of minutes, you want to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Then after that, release the power button, press the power button again, but just press it, and then press and hold the power button until the Nintendo Switch turns on. And then it should be back on and working again. If this doesn't work, try to use a different power cable. And that's it, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!